Hey there, I'm Dave.
And I'm Carol.
And we're welcoming you back to Salt Table. Thanks for visiting today. And today we're in our new
airport store.
Yeah, we expanded. If any one of you have been in our airport store in the recent past, it was a tiny little store, maybe a little bit bigger than a walk-in closet. But now we have a big store.
And it's beautiful, and it's looking right out at the planes coming in and lots of people waiting for planes, and it's gorgeous. Right here in the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport.
Right, and we're going to have a lot more products because we have a lot more space. We're still doing some work on it, but by the time you get here, we should be in really good shape. One thing, we do sell wine in our store, but we're adding a brand new feature to the whole development here at the airport, and we're really excited about it. And it is?
And it's called our Salt Table Spirit Store. So we're selling locally distilled spirits, including Ghost Coast and Savannah Bourbon.
And a whole bunch of others. So a little trivia for you. Between South Carolina and Georgia, there are 45 distilleries. So these craft distilleries are really on the rise, and people are really enjoying the product. So when people leave or arrive at the airport, they'll be able to take some of these products home with them and to whoever they're visiting. And
make great gifts.
Yeah, make great gifts for sure. So that's coming soon, not ready yet. But the last time we spoke to you, we were in the middle of COVID. We didn't know we were in the middle of COVID, but we were. And it's extended and extended, and it's been now a whole year. And since we had to close some of our shops.
But the good news is we're still here. We're changing, we're growing, we're gonna stay here. We're gonna be here for a long time to serve our customers, to serve the people coming in and out of Savannah and visiting our region. So we're ready to welcome visitors to come back whenever you're ready to come back.
Absolutely, and let us say this right now: we wouldn't be standing here right now in a new airport
without you.
Salt Table shop without you. You guys made it possible. You went online and bought our products. The folks that traditionally come to Savannah once or twice a year, maybe every few years, you stuck with us and you really made a difference. And it wasn't just a difference in us staying in business, it was a difference for us to present the products made by all these other wonderful Georgia-grown partners of ours. So for that, a big thank you, and the best is yet to come. So we're about ready to celebrate.
And stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned, but we're about to celebrate our 10th anniversary.
That's right.
So hard to believe, 10 years ago, we opened our first store in downtown Savannah, and we've got big news coming up on that.
The last year's felt like 10 years too.
Yeah, the last 10 months felt like 10 years. That's exactly right. So anyways, we just wanted to say thank you. We love you all, and we look forward to seeing you really soon online and in our shop. So have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.